Hi there. I'm Jessica Varnado-Swall from San Diego Continuing Education, and in this YouTube Search Strategies video number 1, I'll be covering some tips for conducting a YouTube search. This video will cover auto-suggestions, plus-minus operators, and using different keywords. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to go to the main YouTube page at youtube.com. The first search strategy I'd like to share with you is auto-suggestions. So, if you do your search here in the search bar, let's say that we want to find a tutorial on how to use Zoom, but we're not quite sure what we're interested in about Zoom, or you're not quite sure how to refine your search terms. Just go ahead and start typing Zoom, and you'll see that there are a lot of suggestions. Perhaps you'd like to watch a video on the Zoom Update 5.2, or maybe you'd like to figure out how to host a Zoom webinar. Perhaps you're concerned about Zoom trolling and you'd like to secure your meeting settings. There's a lot of suggestions here. And as you keep typing, it will pop up new suggestions as you go along. So, I highly recommend this. Often, when I go into YouTube to search for a particular type of video, I don't have to type in all of my search terms because I will see them in the drop-down as I keep typing. So I often don't have to completely type whatever I'm searching for here. The next strategy I'd like to share are the plus-minus operators. So the plus-minus operators are a way of either including something in your search or excluding something from your search. So let's take a look at Canvas Studio. Perhaps some of you are already using Canvas Studio. It's a great screencasting option if you are making videos for your class in Canvas. But as you know, Canvas can be a bit of an ambiguous search term because, particularly when you add the word studio, you might get some search results where people are talking about painting or other art projects you might do on a canvas. So a way to narrow down those search results so that you will not get any art results, if that's not what you're looking for, you can use the minus operator. So you simply put in minus and whatever you'd like to exclude. So maybe in this case, Canvas Studio minus painting. And now you're not going to get any search results that include the word painting in the title or the description. You can also use the plus operator by simply typing plus and anything you definitely want to include. So one of the great features on Canvas Studio is the auto captioning, which is a little bit more accurate than the YouTube auto captioning, I find. So if you're looking for a Canvas Studio video and you definitely want it to include information on captioning, you can include it in the plus operator. And now all of your video search results will have something to do with captioning, or at least include it in the video title or description. The next search strategy I'd like to include is that of using different keywords. Have you ever been in the position where you're searching for something, either on Google or on YouTube, and you're just not getting the results that you're interested in? Sometimes, if you just slightly change your keywords or use synonyms, for example, you can get some slightly different results. Let's try that with Canvas. We're all working on Canvas a lot these days. So if you're interested in just getting a beginning view on all the different assignment types, perhaps in Canvas, you could put Canvas assignments. And And as you could see, we're getting a lot of auto suggestions, but in this case, we can try beginner. If you're at the beginning of trying to create some Canvas assignments, let's see what search results we get. Okay, these look like pretty good videos. I'm definitely a fan of many of these YouTube channels. But let's say you're not quite getting videos that you're interested in. With that, we can change the search word to basic. You can see the number 1 video is still the same, but after that we're getting slightly different results. We could change it still further and put in getting started. We can see still different videos below. We can see that this particular YouTube creator has put in a lot of different keywords, and that is why her video is still showing up as number 1. So well done on that, Ashley Espinoza. Let's review what we learned in this video. In this video, we covered auto suggestions, plus minus operators, and using different keywords. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a new tip or two about searching YouTube. If you're interested in learning more on this topic, please check out the Part 2 and Part 3 videos of the series. Please feel free to connect with us. Thanks!